Hi YouTube. If you got a Ford Focus, try to press the horn. There's no horn in it. So I checked the relay, fuse, everything. Relay, fuse, everything. It's okay, but the horn don't pop. So when you press the horn, nothing. So the easy way to replace, you got to move this out. So the bumper, that's the, I said, just take this piece out here, from the front bumper, and then you're gonna remove the location is. It's right here. We'll remove out, so you get access to the horn. I got a tool here, and I'm gonna replace it. So you got a 10mm bolt. You gotta remove. If I'm going to remove this thing, I'll show you guys after that. That's how it look like. It's the bracket right here. So I got a 10mm bolt in behind. So I'll remove one already. So now I'm gonna remove the other one at the bottom. So both is out. So now I'm gonna unplug, disconnect. Both is attached together. So you guys pinch that clip right here. Pull. What to do? One hand. Alright, both is out. Now I'm gonna put the other one. The problem is when it's connected here, they have a corrosion, so that's why it don't work. See, the water goes through there. It got a lot of rust in it. That's why it don't work. So for this one work, that power you have to pass this one through this one to go that one. So now if I connect this by itself, that work. So now I'm gonna clean it and put this one here together, because the other one there is different. Not able to remove. So I'm gonna just clean this thing here, connect this one. It's gonna work. I'm gonna show you guys after this thing work. Okay guys, so I'm trying to make this thing work, but both is bad. You have a lot of corrosion, so either one doesn't work. This is bad. This one pin is still good, but what I'm gonna do here and disconnect both together. So even this one here is different, so I'm not able to connect both together. Besides, if I'm cut the wires here and a welder here, so I'm able to connect both together, but I'm not gonna do that. And this right here, I can use this right here too and use both together. So besides one horn, I can use both. I can use two, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. can do that here. So what I can do here, plug this one. See if this connector here is different. So I'm not able to take this one. One thing I can do here is cut the wire here in the welder there together. Or either way I can connect this thing inside there. Can cut the wires here, make a clip right here, and connect to the pin. So I think I'm gonna do that and connect both together, or I'm just keep one horn besides two. I don't know. Let's see if this thing work here. Check if this horn work. This horn work. Maybe I can yeah, that don't work. That was the key. I have no connection. So I'll do just one here. See if they're gonna work. I think this cable, because the corrosion right here is rust everywhere, so probably they don't have no contact. Let's see if the problem is the contact. If it's the contact the problem, now they're gonna work. Yep. But this horn is not loud, so I'm gonna put it. This one, I'm gonna swipe that one to this one. I think this is louder. If this is louder, I'm gonna leave this one. Yep, definitely louder. So that's the one that's gonna stay. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one aside, and I'm gonna put that one in the spot. 10mm bolt. there. Now I'm gonna tie it. Start the spot. Now I'm gonna put the cover back, and that's it. We're done. So it's a clip you have to push. You're done. So, yep, now it worked. So if you guys like it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video.